These are Metallic Rub-ons Color Kit 1 and Luster Rub-ons Color Kit 4. Let's compare the colors. Metallic Rub-ons Color Kit 1 has blue, purple, copper, silver, ruby, emerald, and gold, and the Luster Rub-ons Color Kit 4 has Midnight Sparkle, Starburst, Silver Gray, White Sparkle, Apple Green, Amber, and Russet. They're a wax paste that can be used on many different surfaces. I'm using them on cardstock here, but you could also use them on glossy paper, Fimo, ceramic, wood, and other different hard craft surfaces. You can easily apply them with your fingers. However, if you have nails, they will kind of get in the way, and you'll see that I make a bit of a mess here, but the chances of you, when you're using them, having two different kits and using all 7 colors from each kit with 10 fingers is highly unlikely. My favorite way though to apply them is just with makeup applicators, just because then it eliminates getting mess on your fingers. You can use them to color embossed papers or die cuts. They do wash very easily from your fingers with some warm water and soap, but they add a lovely metallic luster and sheen to your projects.